This is a short interview. What's going on at Sinovuyo Senior Club? Mama ungaminda nje uqhubeka uncokola nathi kwenzeka ntoni? For example, umama just shared ukuthi siyabelwa. They've been stealing e-polls. They've been torturing e-senior center by stealing e-polls, stealing what we had, the little things that we receive from our funders. Do you mind, Ma, to share? Don't mind Ramaphosa as Ma.
I don't mind to share.
Thethe kulwimi lasekhaya ma kwenzeka ntoni apha center ma.
Into abayenzayo aba basiqhaqhela igadi njengoba ibiwe ngezapali, then kukho la net batsiba ezilapsini bangena ngaphakathi bathatha ipali, but ezinye ziyaboyisa ngoba zinesamente, but ezinye bayithathile ngoku bathatha ezi ziphezulu zibambe inethi leke ngoku bayasimosha. Bathatha nemigqomo, sinemigqomo egreen yogalela
i-compost
amagqabi green kwenzela basibele bayithathile, asiyazi uba bazawuyenzani. Nalapha siyabona ke ngokuba beza ngaphakathi ngoba sibonile uba neegathazi ezilapha xaba bebekhe bazama napha kuzo ukukhangela. So sinewadi yoba mhlawumbi nxa siphinda sibuya mhlawumbi singafika zingekho nezo gathazi.
Now njengoba uzivela man, this is the senior club ne ogogo. They are on a stay home, so we have few numbers ogogo actively involved abancedisa egadini xa sivuna sibhantsha sideliver door to door. Nawe nalapho uhlala khona mhlambi you have friends that can assist us or can help us, advise us. What can we do kule situation as the seniors are at their household? The senior center is not always open. I'm just a gardener. I come to one day a week or 2 days a week, and then I spend 3 hours in the garden, then I leave. So after I leave, they get the chance to jump and steal. So please, wherever you at, I know you have advices that you can share. Carry the spade and walk with us. This is the Sinovuyo Senior Club. As you can see, that is the logo of the senior center. So as our role as the ghetto gardeners is to make sure that this field has green, natural, nutritional food for the seniors so that they can also stand the COVID and so forth. Big up, carry the spade and walk with us.